Yo, want to go over my review for June the 17th, 2020, which was a Wednesday. And I'm making this on a Monday because I didn't trade Thursday or Friday. I had some things going on, had some things to take care of. So, SPY, slight gap up. None really to talk about, really. 2 points, pretty much flat opening. And NCLH caught my eye. Huge gap down. So I was looking for any type of pop, maybe into this 20 area, sort of, to short into. And that's exactly what I did. Wanted to see some continuation down after something huge like this. Usually a little pop happens and then back down. And I got in off pop off open, got in on a bounce and covered under VWAP after this consolidation right here. So I'm just kind of set a double bottom, sort of consolidating it a bit. Didn't want to mess with it. Want to take profits. Up 73 bucks on 200 shares. Nice, real nice. KSS was the next play, and it was this day. KSS on the daily, cap down as you can see, and wanted to see some continuation. Chased it down a little bit right here, actually, and kind of seen this bottom right here of yesterday's lows got taken out, so that was a good entry starting point to enter. Entered 100 shares short, and it was also a notification play. One of my notifications went off, and added on a pop on the VWAP, stayed heavy. Added on a low of daybreak, 300 shares total. And then I started seeing grinding up right here off this sort of double bottom, and I just didn't want to mess with it no more. Didn't want to turn it into a loser. Took profits. My goal was also 23 for a gap fill, which I never really got. So once I seen this area hold right here, I wanted to see it filled this gap to 23 really, which was the day before yesterday's close. So really didn't get that. So took my profits and ran up another 78, 79 bucks on that. Real nice. Decent trading right there. Two bangers to start the day off. GSX was a loser. And I wanted to scalp to VWAP, risking 54 right here. Yeah, I seen this huge run up. Wanted to see if 54 was going to reject. It didn't. I wanted to scalp it to VWAP on a quick 100 shares. I usually only go 50 shares on a play like this high priced, but it's all good. Took a little L, 31 bucks, no big deal. Then waited on it, seen all this happening, and waited and waited and waited, and wanted to see this something like pull back somewhere. And this 56.5 area was kind of decent, I'd say, for a nice pullback, which is sort of up here, 57, but I got close enough. So yesterday's open was at like 57-ish, so got close enough to there for a starter. Seen this kind of rejecting right here, this last little ramp, then it rejected, got short. This was sort of a little bit of a chase entry, shouldn't have really got into it, but I had another pop, total of 150 shares right here, and just rode it down to VWAP pretty much. Well, close to VWAP. I held out until 55.13 right here. I wanted to see VWAP, but also wanted to take profits, so this was good enough for me. It did end up kept going. This was just a beautiful play. Look at that lower high, bouncing off VWAP, then gave out VWAP, and then reclaimed. But decent. There's no way I would have held out through all of this, but decent little gain right there, $166.50 on the second play. So this is beautiful altogether. First one took a small L on, but that's what I wanted to do. I just wanted to scalp it. I want to scalp it for 50 cents, maybe 20 cents, maybe even all the way down to here. Who knows what could have happened, but it didn't happen. Stopped out real quick. And the second one I nailed. Beautiful. Net was the last play. And net on the daily was just all-time high break. Yeah, that's what it was, all-time. I played the option on this too, made $100 on it, which is not bad at all. And yeah, real money too. Net stalled out on $half after major push. Wanted to see market would pull it down some because the market was crashing after it opened. Decent. Wanted to see if the market would pull it down, maybe the VWAP for a quick little scalp. 100 shares, didn't work out, broke high of day, I exited. Plain and simple. Lost $32 on it. So lost $60, $63 on 2 scalps, potential scalps. Not too bad, but the rest I profited decent on. Decent. All in all, $255 up on the day. Beautiful, beautiful plays. Things are just going right. I'm seeing things clearly. Things are going my way. And let's continue it. The last full week of the month coming up. Let's go out with a bang. Liking it. I'm liking what I'm doing though. So, until next time. Peace.